A person who forgives everything and everyone is not demonstrating maturity. They are demonstrating fear of loss. Forgiveness is not always a virtue. Sometimes it's a strategy to remain where you've already been devalued. Stoicism does not teach endure for love. It teaches you to distinguish between a mistake and character. Some actions don't require explanation. They require a decision. Here are 4 red flags that should never be ignored. First, deliberate betrayal. Betrayal is not an emotion, it is a choice. When someone knows they are hurting you and does it anyway, they are not confused. They are conscious. And if there is no remorse afterward, only justification, you already have your answer. Forgiving this does not preserve the relationship. It teaches them that with you, this is allowed. Betrayal without consequences always repeats. Second, repeated disrespect after clear boundaries. Once is a mistake, twice is a pattern. When you clearly state a boundary and it is crossed again, that is not misunderstanding. It is a measurement of how much you are willing to tolerate. People do not learn respect through conversations, they learn it through consequences. If you stay after the second time, you are participating. A Stoic does not beg for basic respect. He removes his presence, and when presence leaves, value leaves with it. Third, manipulation. This is the most dangerous flag because it doesn't look like aggression. It looks like emotion, gaslighting, guilt, silent punishment, emotional highs and lows. A manipulator doesn't strike the body. They strike your perception of reality. And if you forgive this, you grant them access to your inner center. Stoicism is built on inner sovereignty. Manipulation destroys it. Where games begin, respect ends. Fourth, violation of your core values without remorse. This is the point of no return. If someone mocks your honesty, dismisses your loyalty, disregards your principles, and sees no issue in doing so, you are not in a rough phase. You are on different roads. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Better to lose comfort than to lose character." Relationships without shared values survive only on the fear of being alone. Forgiveness here is not generosity, it is self-abandonment. And here is the distinction most people miss. You can forgive and still walk away. Forgiveness clears your mind. Access to you is not a right, it is a privilege. Weak people stay because they fear loneliness. Strong people leave because they fear losing themselves. You don't owe revenge. You don't owe explanations. You don't owe proof. You owe yourself one thing: never trade your dignity for someone's temporary presence. Remember this: not everything should be forgiven. Some things should simply be ended.